Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can accept payments on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, for this, you're going to need to be connecting your site to a payment provider, which you should have an account on. You have a couple of options, and I'm going to show you what those options exactly are. So let's first go into our settings menu, which is this cog at the bottom of the menu. Then we're going to go into selling, and the second option from the top is the payments menu. So we're just going to click on that. And as you can see, you already have three options over here. You have Stripe and PayPal, which are for online payments. Stripe supports all major credit cards, Apple Pay and Afterpay/ClearPay. PayPal, of course, supports PayPal, and you do need to have a PayPal business account to let customers pay with PayPal or Venmo. And then you have Square, which is for US only, but it is pretty much used for in-person transactions with cash and credit cards, and you need to pick one depending on your needs. Usually, I would just recommend Stripe, so just go ahead and click on that, click connect. It's going to ask you to log into your account. I don't have one, so I'm not going to do that, but pretty much you just enter to your account, follow the steps, and then afterwards it should be connected pretty easily. After that, all your transactions on your site will go through Stripe. Of course, if you want to connect PayPal, I would recommend you do that as well, since people do like using PayPal and usually they use it for online transactions. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.